It is another day, another time. I will be talking about how you can draft out business from your handwork. How you can bring business out of your handwork. Everybody knows that, okay, handwork, we learn it before we can earn from it. So, and there is no handwork you can never draw out or draft out a business from. So, every handwork, since it is handwork, so you can draft out a business from it. And then one thing about drafting out business from handwork is that, firstly, you will first of all check your environment. You first of all examine your environment. Okay, how is your environment? Okay, if your environment is a rural area, so and you see maybe that your handwork is not moving properly, then you don't need to draft out any business if your handwork is not moving properly. But if it is an urban area and that your handwork is moving properly, so you can draft out a business out of your handwork. So I will be talking on just few handwork now, just for like furniture. If you are a furniture worker and you are receiving work, okay, you are doing many furniture works, then how can you draft out business? The way you can draft out business is that by selling the materials that you are using to construct your furnitures. So by getting the materials ready down, by buying the material surplus so to your shop, then whenever customer brings work from you, then you pick from that material you have bought down and then you use it for the work given to you. So that is how you can draft out business. And also, the materials you brought will not be for you alone. Kò ní jẹ́ fún wọn nìkan. So á jẹ́ pé even tẹ́lómi bá wá láti ta, then tó wá sọ pé mo fẹ́ ra pákó, mo fẹ́ ra ìṣó, mo fẹ́ ra hammer, mo fẹ́ ra saw blade, mo fẹ́ ra pinches and all of that, tie rod. So you will be able to sell it for them. So wàá lè ta fún wọn. Kò kàn ní jẹ́ wípé okay, kò kàn ní jẹ́ pé ìwọ nìkan ló fẹ́ máa lo gbogbo àwọn irinṣẹ́ tàbí ohun tí a fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí o rà yẹn. Kì í ṣe pé ìwọ nìkan ni wàá máa lò. So that is the way you can bring out business out of your handwork. Another handwork that I will be talking about is weather. Okay, when it comes to weather, you can sell baling wire, you can sell electrode, you can sell ring. Even if you have the money to sell iron, there is nothing bad in it. People can come from one place to another, then they purchase iron, purchase baling wire, purchase all of that from you. And lastly, I'll be talking on tailor. You see this tailoring business, most of the tailors don't know the power in their business. Most of them just based on Christmas time, Iléyá time, New Year time. That is the time they can earn much. No, if you are a tailor and you are hearing this video and you are listening to this voice note, no, never sit down again and be expecting cloth during the Xmas season, Iléyá season, special celebration that occur everybody. Never sit down. Go to Yaba, go to Aba, get materials, sew materials. All these clothes that we are wearing, they are materials. Wọn ò jábọ́ láti ọ̀run náà. Àwọn material táwọn wọ̀ wọn ò jábọ́ láti ọ̀run. Ẹnìkan náà ló ṣàrán wọn. When you go to Lekki, you will see them. You will see many companies that they hire people to sew all these clothes that we are wearing. Ìwọ náà lè lọ sọ́jà kó lọ ra material, ra àwọn gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ẹ̀. Download some clothes, some style, then bọ́n ṣe ṣe aṣọ yẹn gẹ́lẹ́ ìwọ náà go to market and find the same material use to sew that same cloth. Ìwọ náà lọ sọ́jà, download àwọn aṣọ kan lórí social media. Bá ti download àwọn aṣọ yẹn, then kàn lọ sọ́jà. Gbogbo nǹkan tó fi sára aṣọ yẹn ni kó máa wá kiri, kó wá gbé wálé. Ìwọ náà rán perfectly, rán kó whip ẹnu ẹ̀, ṣe everything kó make sense. Gbé sórí bèbí ẹ̀, then you will make money. Doesn't mean pé ká máa jókòó ti àǹkárá nìkan ká ṣe máa rán àǹkárá. No, tailor ju pé òun rán àǹkárá lọ. Tailor can earn every day if he knows how to use his business. O lè lọ sọ́jà kó lọ ra material boxers, àwọn boxers ọmọ kékèké tí wàá máa ta lọ 100 naira. Ládùúgbò gan sef gan tí boxer ọmọ kékeré bá ya, ìyá àdẹ́sà ó yá gbà lọ rà lọ́dọ̀ ìyá kinní kan wá, lọ rà lọ́dọ̀ ìyá gbá wá. But many tailors are not using this. They are not using their power because tailor is so powerful. Is so powerful in his own way. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa rìn òhò náà. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó jẹ́ pé kò ní fẹ́ máa change wardrobe ẹ̀. Kò ní fẹ́ máa change. Tó bá jẹ́ tailor tó ń gbọ́ fídíò yìí, má jókòó ti àǹkárá nìkan. Ìwọ náà step up. Ọdún tuntun la wà ẹ́. Step up. Gather owó bó ṣe 10,000 lásán. Tó bá fi 10,000 naira tó bá fi dé Aba, ọmọ ẹrù tó máa rà wálé kì í ṣe kékeré o. Tó bá fi 10,000 gan tó bá fi dé Yaba, ó ṣe máa rẹrù wálé. Bó fi 10,000 bó fi lọ sóṣòdì tó lọ sékòó, ó ṣe máa rí nǹkan rà wálé. Start from somewhere. Don't just sit down. Máa jókòó ti àǹkárá nìkan. No. If you are a tailor and you are hearing this voice note, please change your attitude, change your mentality, and then work towards everything given to you in this video. So this is how you can bring out business out of your handwork. Àwọn nǹkan tó ẹ̀mọ́ ẹ̀kọ́kẹ́ a máa fi ń ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí jáde. Ìwọ́n tó mọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́kẹ́ tá bá fẹ́ ránṣọ, a máa nílò òwú, a nílò abẹ́rẹ́, a nílò zip, a nílò scissors and other things. Ìwọ náà ṣa owó jọ kó ra àwọn kinní yẹn, ra wọn sórí igbá. Má rà níra pé ìwọ nìkan ló fẹ́ máa lò. Rà níra pé ìwọ náà fẹ́ ta, kan show glass fún wọn, show wọn síta, kó wọn síta. So people tó bá ń kọjá wọ́n á rí. So ọjọ́ kan alájẹ máa wá. That is how you can draft out business